told myself it was her words, those sharp and careless lines, but underneath the deeper hurt was burning through the vines. How could someone made of noise be closer than the friend I chose, while the one who knew my soul was one, when the world would never know? I dreamed I came from far away, in a basket on the tide, carried here by accident to live a stranger's life. Somewhere there's a quiet room with books and candles low, and people still look out the door for the boy they had to let go. And I have nothing I can give her, no ribbon, no silver, no store-bought grace, but she gave a light to all my winters and filled the hollow I couldn't name. I wish I had something, a gift I could wrap, but all I have is everything that she already had. It's not about the cost or shine, she'd never ask for gold, but still I search the cracks of time for something I could hold, a piece of truth, a thread of light, to show her what she means, more than any blood or name, more than anything I've seen. 'Cause I have nothing I can give her, no ribbon, no silver, no store-bought grace, but she